Give me 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how to optimize your high ticket offer to get you even more high ticket sales. And because I know you want to land more high ticket clients with your offer, if you drop me the word offer, I'm actually going to send you my offer audit with a short video training to help you optimize your offer for more sales completely for free. Now, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Oninia Nike. I'm the creator of the Moms Method, and I've taught hundreds of coaches, consultants, and experts how to amplify their brand and fill their offers and programs with high-end clients so that they can have more income and create greater impact in the world with their gifts. And in every single video, you're going to get simple client attraction strategies and principles that you can apply to your business right now. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to optimize your high ticket offers to get you even more high ticket sales. Now, everyone has a different definition of what an irresistible high ticket offer actually is, but I'm going to break it down for you very simple. The simplest definition of an irresistible offer is what people get plus what they have to do in order to get it. And what they get is not 20 modules or recordings and workbooks and checklists, but the get is the outcome, the transformation that they're after, the sexy body, the 7-figure income, the husband, the peace of mind, the dream career, plus what they have to do in order to get it. The more that they get, meaning the bigger the result, and the least they have to do to get it, whether it be financially, physically, energetically, mentally, time-wise, the better the offer is, the more irresistible. Now, there are 6 dials or levers to an offer, but in this video, I'm going to share 4 major dials or levers for your offer. And they are the speed of results, the magnitude of the result, the certainty of a result, and the amount of effort, meaning energy, time, or investment that's needed in order for your clients to achieve the results. So an example of a perfect irresistible business offer with all the dials cranked up would be a program that makes someone $1 billion with 100% certainty in 1 minute, and it only costs $1. Now, that is never going to happen, but this is where you get to come in and play around with the offer dials and levers. When you're crafting an offer, especially if you want it to be irresistible, you have to add stuff to the mix that actually maximizes on these dials. You add done-for-you services or elements if you want to reduce the effort that's actually needed by your clients to get the result. You add plug-and-play templates if you want to increase the speed of results. And you add a guarantee if you want to increase the certainty of results for your clients. And you add coaching calls if you want to increase the magnitude of the result. You get the point. Basically, you don't just put something together and add stuff to it thinking that more is exactly what's going to make it irresistible. And I see this happen quite a bit. You add stuff to an offer that's going to make it easier, quicker, better for your clients. It's going to increase the certainty to work for them. And that's what makes it truly irresistible. Now, a bonus tip, an easy place to start for most people is effort and speed. Why? Because you probably already have templates, checklists, SOPs, intellectual property, something that makes things easier for you to do. You just package those things for your clients and you save them time and effort to get to where they want to be because they don't have to create anything from scratch. Now, a really quick example is one of my clients. She's a weight loss coach for busy career moms. And we played around with the dials and optimized her offer to where she actually custom creates the meal plan, grocery list, and the local restaurant checklist for each of her clients through the duration of her program. All their meals are tracked daily, so they get a new plan with everything unique to their dietary specifications, needs, and schedules, all handed to them, along with the accountability via the tracker, and she does weekly coaching calls with them. So they have everything they need to succeed, and they get really great results because she's maximized her dials as best as she can given what she's doing. And of course, she charges high ticket for it. Now, obviously, your offer is different and the needs of your clients are going to be different. So you get to play around with these levers and these dials and figure out what makes the most sense for you and your business and your clients. Either way, wouldn't it be nice to know that you have an offer that can easily command high ticket prices and is a no-brainer heck yes for your dream clients? If you want to maximize the dials or the levers in your own offer, then drop me the word offer in the comments and I'm actually going to send you my offer audit with a really short video training that's going to help you optimize your offer for more high ticket sales, completely free as a thank you for watching this video so that you can go and make more sales, okay? Go out there, be great, and I'll see you in the next video.